Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Monday and a good start to Thanksgiving week. But what I want to make mention of before we even get started on this video is if you are new to the channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over there, I thank y'all for coming back. Lord of mercy, 6 days, Dan, where you been? Well, all I'm gonna say is I've been working. Y'all know my profession. November and December is really busy, really busy in my profession. So I've been doing what I have to do. I even pulled a night shift last week, Wednesday I believe it was. Lord of mercy, it's been years since I had to work a night shift, but I had to do my part to help out. It is what it is. What I want to share with you and y'all today is I have a few things going on that I've been working on. Yeah, we in Mississippi, folks just love to shoot. Anyways, I got a few things that I want to share with y'all, be it one in the garden and one in my shack. Give me a second, that's what we finna do. All right, I apologize for the wind. It's done picked up. We expecting some rain today and tomorrow. Probably for the last 3 days. It's been sprinkling on and off, but today's a dry day. Miss Linda, I got some success. Look at her. Hope y'all can see that. Ooh-wee. I mean, that is a sure enough pretty sight right there. Yes, the garlic has sprouted up. It done bust the ground, and I'm just extremely happy. You and y'all know I haven't had really much success with garlic over here, but this is the Italian garlic that Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener, sent me, and I'm here to tell you, it is growing good. And I guess the rabbits don't like garlic because they ain't started nibbling on that. I can see I have something in here that's been romping around in my bed, but they ain't messing with the garlic. Whew. I'm sure happy about that. Probably what I'm gonna do either today or tomorrow, depending on what time the rain comes in, I'm gonna go ahead and mulch this bed with some easy straw and just tuck everything in for the once it starts getting really cold, and hopefully by Easter next year we'll have a garlic harvest. Let's go on in my shack. I got some stuff I want to show you up in there, and yeah, let's go over yonder. All right, look at here. Gracious Almighty, that's my jackfruit, and he ain't looking too good at all. Not at all. He's still alive, but not looking good. What I did is I've been going back and forth with my buddy, Mr. CB over at CB's Greenhouse and Garden. Just getting a little bit of input from him as far as indoor growing. Ms. CB grows just a whole bunch of stuff indoors and out hydroponically, and at one time in the ground, earth. But he said, Dan, you need to go on and switch out your lights. I actually had my 4-foot full spectrum LEDs here, took them down and put them over here. So now I have my 4-foot shop lights, 2 of them, that hopefully will keep this jackfruit warm. I may have to break out the ceramic heater. I'm not really sure. The temperatures this building is insulated pretty well, except for the floor. It's not insulated. So when it's hot, and when it's cold, it's cold. So I'm just gonna see what happens with this jackfruit. I've been struggling to keep it alive. I may have to just hook up some heat to it, put the ceramic heater to work out here. It's set on a timer. They'll come on at about 1800 and go off at 05. So yeah, it's 15:34 my time. Let me show you this over here. A subscriber sent me a bunch of seeds, and look at there. That is 2 rows of Sharons that I actually have the seeds. She sent me the seeds, the rows of Sharon seeds, and I know probably now is not the best time to try to get these things to grow, But I had the seeds and I was like, I just got to try to germinate a few and see what happens. I ended up sticking 4 of them in these bootstrap farmer cups, 4, and 2 actually germinated. So there you go. Rose of Sharon. And I'm really happy over this because I'm gonna try to keep these 2 alive and growing. I have them sitting under the full spectrum grow lights. They seem to be working. I need to give them some water. Again, probably not the time to try to get those guys going, but I just had to do it. And they're growing. I've been giving them a light mixture of some fertilizer. So we'll see what happens, see how they grow. So again, brothers and sisters, my videos have been sparse, just to say. I have been extremely busy at work, trying to get a lot of odds and ends taken care of. The good thing is I'll be off for the next couple of days, so I have a bunch of stuff that I want to share with you and y'all that I just have not had the time to create and get anything uploaded. So again, my apologies for not seeing y'all. Just is what it is. Got to get them bills paid. I know y'all understand. Again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Monday, and I hope y'all having a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look when I'm not working all the time. And with that being said, you know it's coming, Dan referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.